Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to quickly download a file that someone has shared with you on Google Drive, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest and simplest steps using the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that received the shared file. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the tab labeled Shared. This section shows all the files and folders that others have shared with you, making it easy to find what you need. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the file you want to download. Once you've found it, look to the right of the file name. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Options menu. Tap on those 3 dots to open a menu of actions you can take with the file. In this menu, simply tap Download. The file will begin downloading to your device. Depending on your phone's settings, you'll usually find the downloaded file in your device's Downloads folder or in your Files app. It's important to note that you need to have permission to download the file. If you don't see the download option, the file owner may have restricted downloads. In that case, you'll need to contact the owner and request download access. Once they update the permissions, you can repeat these steps to download the file. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can save shared files directly from Google Drive to your device, making them available even when you're offline. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.